Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide your location on Bumble. To get started, open your Bumble app. Once you're there, you will see somewhat like this. Now click on the profile icon, which is located at the bottom left corner. Now here you can see the user setting at the top right corner. Simply click on it. This will now open up this new page where we can manage our Bumble settings. Now scroll down until you find this option called location. So guys, in the location option you can go ahead and change the location using the travel mode. But guys, if you want to change your location so that other people cannot see your location, you just have to use travel mode. So you will be in another country. But if you want to still use Bumble in your country, but you want to hide your location, sadly you cannot do that because Bumble has not implemented that option yet. So Bumble does not give you that option to do that. So basically, you just have to use travel mode if you want to hide your location. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.